UIN Sunan Ampel is one of the Islamic universities in Surabaya that has a mission to be a competitive university internationally. The university has 9 faculties with 44 undergraduate study programs, 10 study programs for postgraduate degree, and 4 study programs for the doctorate. UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya commits to holding an education that emphasizes balanced and integrated Islamic studies with science education, develop research on the integration of those two pieces of knowledge based on the community needs as well as to community engagement. To support the process of teaching and learning, UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya has an excellent facility, such as the library with the representative collection, integrated laboratories, sports center, and a multi-purpose building. Audiovisual laboratory, Halal Center Laboratory, Syariah Islamic Bank, Health Center, UIN Samart, and Green Sain. UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya also uses an electronic doorstop as the security system. Concerning the standard of quality of education, UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya follows the national standard such as ISO 9001 Certificate 2008 for academic services, web-o-metrics, university ranking in the aspect of institution website and repository. The University of Sydney regrets UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya is ready to be an international university. The quality of UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya is shown from the contribution of the institution as National Library Partner of Indonesia. UIN Sunan Ampel not only has a reputation nationally, but also internationally. International conferences, international community services, an international consortium, research collaboration, global competition, and obtaining overseas scholarships. And being competitive in the community as described in the university motto, building character qualities for the smart, pious, and honorable nation to strengthen the university vision as a world-class university. UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya has received international students from Malaysia, Libya, and Thailand since 2012. In the technological era, the Technology Center and Database of UIN Sunan Ampel cooperates with telecommunication company Google and Microsoft to be able to serve the community appropriately, effectively, and professionally. As an Islamic higher institution, UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya provides teaching, research, and community development that emphasizes on integrated Islamic values with science education according to the standard of national and international education. UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya also contributes to maintaining the unity of nation through the concept of Recitation Mengaji Indonesia, one of dakwah program initiated by UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya as an affirmation of the vision of Islam in terms of peace, Islamic teaching and learning that is synergist with the ideals of the Republic of Indonesia.
Dengan visi menjadi Universitas Islam yang unggul dan kompetitif bertaraf internasional, UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya berupaya menjadi Center of Excellence, yakni menyelenggarakan pendidikan, riset ilmu-ilmu keislaman multidisipliner, serta sains dan teknologi yang unggul dan berdaya saing, yang diarahkan kepada cita-cita dan tujuan pendidikan tinggi, menyiapkan peserta didik yang mampu meningkatkan kecerdasan umat dan memberikan kontribusi dalam skala nasional dan internasional. Kami yakin bahwa dengan menjadi bagian dari Universitas Islam Negeri Sunan Ampel Surabaya akan membuka banyak peluang dalam mengembangkan banyak pengetahuan dan potensi diri sehingga mampu memberikan kontribusi nyata terhadap kehidupan berbangsa dan bernegara.